Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use a Visa gift card on Temu. So the first step is to open Temu, and then what you have to do is simply choose your product. So you have to tap on that, and then what you have to do next is simply tap on add to cart, and then here you have to choose the variant. I'm going to go with pink and this side here, and then simply tap on add to cart, then simply tap on this cart icon at the right corner. And then here you can see all your products. So I'm going to remove this here because I really want only the slippers. And then what you have to do next, as you can see, if you go here to payment methods, you can see that you have Visa. So what you have to do next is simply tap on checkout. And then here you have to tap again on checkout. So we need to order one more. And let's check out again. And here you have to enter your country, here you have to enter your street address, and then basically what you have to do next is simply enter all this information. So let me enter my information really fast. And then here I'm going to enter my phone number. And then simply tap on save. And now what you have to do next is simply select the card. So you have to select card and then simply choose the delivery method and then simply tap on submit order. And then what you have to do next is simply enter the Visa gift card number here, the expiration date, and then simply tap on submit order, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.